BBC, American Express, The Sunday Times, NHS, North Face, Puma, Google, and a bunch of other brands. I'm John Attenborough, and I studied at Plymouth College of Art. I spend a lot of my time flying, travelling, and shooting big commercial projects. But I guess every photographer will tell you the most important thing to do is just get out there and keep shooting every day, even when you're not being commissioned. Shoot as much as you can and photograph what you know and what's available to you. Friends, family, even your local kebab shop owner. When I was at college, digital was in its infancy, so everything was predominantly shot on film. But we were really lucky at Plymouth. We got to use their medium format and large format cameras, their Mamirs, their Hasselblads, the lot. And more recently I'm kind of revisiting that. It's commonplace to shoot a couple of thousand digital photos a day for someone like Google on a big commercial production. But there's just something different about working slowly and considering your shots more. There's just something that film can capture that digital just can't. And I find myself on days off more and more just kind of wandering the streets of East London where I live and finding interesting people and interesting stories to tell. I'm now finding this approach is kind of slowly weaving into my commercial work, and hopefully I can do a lot more of that.
250 f4. Perfect. How far back can I get? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Thank you, sir.